Hi America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you about why does your dishwasher take so long to wash. There's a couple of reasons. One is the Energy Star compliance. It uses less energy, saves you money, the whole shebang that you buy when you go to buy an appliance. Now, if you want your dishwasher to run faster, you need to use the express wash. Now, when you use that cycle, your machine is no longer energy efficient. It is using as much power as it possibly can, as much heat as it possibly can to get the washer done as quickly as possible. So if you bought a washer to save money, you don't want to use those cycles. But if you're like me, impatient, use the 60-minute wash, use the express wash. It will speed up your wash time basically to what your old one used to do. And it was basically going to use as much power as your old one, so it's not going to actually save you any money. It'll save you time, but it won't save you money. Now, as for tricks to getting it to go faster, there really aren't. Once you push a power wash, normal, tough, any of the long cycles, they're programmed to run a certain time. The only thing you really can do is make sure you've got hot water coming into your dishwasher, because these new machines will actually stop, heat the water, and then proceed to the cycle. So if you've got cold water coming in, it's going to pause anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes every time it fills with water. So what you want to do is make sure at your faucet, turn your faucet on, make sure your faucet's hot, then start your dishwasher. But if you're like me, I prefer the express washes, but I also make sure my water's hot. So it's about an hour, usually an hour, 45 minutes to an hour wash, okay? And that's about the only trick there is to making a dishwasher work faster, is using the express wash. It does just as good a job as cleaning your dishes as the longer cycles. It just takes less time but uses more energy. So if you want more good tips like that, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you again with the next one. Thank you very much. Have a good day.